The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Garland Police Department is searching for Yadira Medina, Hispanic, female, 17 years old, 5 feet 0 inches, 150 pounds, brown reddish hair, brown eyes. Last seen wearing glasses with a black t-shirt, black sweatpants with a black backpack. Police are looking for David Maldonado, 20 years old, Hispanic, male, 5 feet 7 inches, 160 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. In connection with her abduction, the suspect is driving a white, unknown year, Ford or GM make, unknown model with unknown license plate number. The vehicle has tan or silver trimming on the body. The suspect was last heard from in Garland, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Garland Police Department at 972-485-4840. News media point of contact is Garland Police Department at 972-485-4840.